morning and welcome to another vlog. This is a very random one because मैंने actually आज plan नहीं किया था vlog करने का, and yes, I do plan this beforehand because I just like to show when things are fun and I'm going out. But I was watching my last vlog and I realized a couple things. The first was that the editing was so bad. Oh my god, guys, always recheck your work. Basically वो उसमें से इतनी footage missing है, then there's some footage which is repeated and I am so sorry for giving you such terrible content. But the other thing that I realized was I never actually vlog on days when I'm just sitting in home and working, studying, doing my things. So I thought it might be boring, but it also might be interesting. So far today I've had a Zoom call which went on and on and on, and it was one of those calls which in the call you're always thinking this should have been a meeting. This should have been an email, sorry. And the call went well, but the project that we spoke about I don't think is even going to happen. So now I'm thinking like घंटा ज़ाया हो गया. Now I have to shoot a voiceover for a video. This is something I started doing recently. I think ये Instagram पे ही recently trend आया है कि video के पीछे voiceover हो, and it's always so funny because I love, like, I don't mind अपनी आवाज़ और किसी चीज़ में, मगर मुझे voiceover में बहुत अजीब लगता है. So I'm just sat here making notes for the voiceover. Okay, so how I usually do it is अगर 25 सेकंड का वॉइस ओवर है तो मैं 25 सेकंड के लिए पूरा स्क्रिप्ट लिखती हूँ, and then sometimes I will add something like off the top of my mind, but I do always have a script because I think it's just easier to work that way. So yeah, I'm doing that, and then I'm going to call Mariana because we really need to plan some content for another campaign. The reason why I never vlog these kind of days is because I always wonder कि इसमें मैं दिखाऊँ क्या, मतलब क्या हो रहा है. But today I think I feel very chatty. My swelling is a little better, so it's easier to talk, and I just want you guys to join me on my day today. So I don't think I actually explained what happened with my face. As you might have noticed some swelling. Turns out I have an infection in my salivary glands. It can happen to anyone and it's not something serious. So I'm just being treated for it, and hopefully in a few days the swelling will go down. It's already better, and baat karne mein bhi aasani hai. Anyway, now I'm hanging outside with my laptop. And what I'm doing is making invoices. Now I thought I would share this with you guys because this is something I never knew that people have to do. But when you're a content creator and you work with a brand, after you post the content, you have to send them an invoice कि हमने ये काम किया था और आपने हमें ये पेमेंट करनी है. और ब्रांड्स के लिए इसलिए ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट से फंड्स निकलवाने होते हैं आपको भेजने के लिए. सो दे ऑब्वियसली नीड टू शो कि हमने इनसे क्या काम करवाया है. So right now I'm doing that. It's one of the less fun things about being a content creator, but it's not anything difficult. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. It's very easy. Also, another thing I was wondering was a lot of people may not know what I do besides making these videos, which I kind of assumed that everyone who's watching these videos came here from Instagram, and then I found out that some people discover these videos organically, which is amazing, but it also means that you might not know who I am and what I do. So my name is Dure. Obviously, I am a content creator. I am from Pakistan and I live in Berlin. In addition to being a content creator, I also run a small clothing brand with my cousin Leila. It's called La Dure. I'm going to link it below. We mostly do minimalistic design. So right now we're doing a lot of summer dresses, a lot of matching separates. So do check it out if you feel like it. Another thing I do on Instagram is run a page called Aurat aur Hukuk. It's an intersectional feminist platform. We talk about women's rights in Pakistan and across the world, and not just women's rights but any kind of minority rights. Before I got rudely interrupted by the construction, मैं बता ही रही थी that I run this platform Aurat aur Hukuk with my sister Sumaya, and what I'm going to do after I finish with the invoices is do some research for social media posts that we will be putting out this week. शाम हो चुकी है दोस्तों. So I have just I'm stepping out for a little walk around the neighborhood. The neighborhood I live in now is super like, you know, offices and इस तरह की चीज़ें हैं. So it's not an amazing walk. Where I used to live before was right by the river and very cozy and residential. But this is nice as well, and I think it's really important to get out at least once a day, just to, you know, move your legs and see the trees, see the halchal. So I'm gonna do that now. Good morning. I just finished having breakfast and cleaning the house. और अब मैं थोड़ी देर धूप सेकूँगी. Then I have to film 2 videos today. The good thing about summer days is that even if I start at 2:30, I will have lots of sunshine all day. Fingers crossed. And so lighting will not be a problem for the videos. I can just shoot until the evening. Quick outfit check. Obviously, the shoes will be changed. Pool ले लिए. Also, as you can see, the city is coming back to life, which is so exciting. मैं बहुत ही जल्दी पहुंच गई हूँ. So I'm just going to sit in the grass, wait for my friend. Thankfully, I have my picnic blanket, so I can actually, you know, sit on the grass without worrying कि कपड़े ख़राब हो जाएंगे. It's always so funny whenever like people find out that these clothes from brands have to be returned. They're like, what? Because everyone kind of assumes that ये कपड़े हमें मिल जाते हैं for life, and you know, then they're ours. और हमारी अलमारियाँ कितनी भरी होंगी, but no, the clothes always go back to brands. So I just need to make sure that I don't sweat in them. I can't eat anything until I change out of them. Oh shit, nail polish नहीं लगाई. And obviously I have to make sure कि, you know, घास का green land पे लग जाए. While I was waiting, I actually was thinking of how different my life was. 1 साल पहले, that was around the time जब मैंने move किया था, और उसके बाद curfew खुलना शुरू हुआ था. And everything, like my life was so different in the sense कि मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं थे. I didn't speak the language at all, and I just felt very alone and like, you know, like an alien. And in 1 year so much has changed, and if you're in a similar position, just know that it takes some time to settle into a new city. But if you just put yourself out there, if you try new activities, if you try to assimilate, if you try to find friends, it is possible that you know, this really strange city starts to feel like home. Anyway, now I should probably text my friend and find out where she is. Can I take your name?
Yes, of course.
Do you want to say hi or no?
No.
I'm hanging with my friend Tanzila, and she just reminded me that I have to vlog. So hello guys. अच्छा, ये बात सुन के शायद आप मेरी सैनिटी को बहुत जज करें, बट मुझे नेविगेट करना कोई भी शहर बहुत आसान लगता है जब मैं किसी रिवर या यू नो वाटर बॉडी के साथ साथ चल रही हूँ. लेकिन जब मैं गलियों में चली जाती हूँ तो आई फाइंड इट अ लिटिल हार्डर टू नेविगेट. सो वेरी ऑफन जब मैं गूगल मैप्स नहीं यूज़ करना चाह रही होती, तो मैं एक्चुअली सिर्फ अपने लोकेशन से रिवर तक का रास्ता ढूंढती हूँ, एंड देन वहाँ से अलॉन्ग द रिवर आई जस्ट नो वेयर टू गो. बट it's actually usually much longer and much less efficient system for getting home. But it's in my head it makes sense because this way I won't get lost. But if I was walking through streets, I would be getting lost. So now I'm walking on my way home. I still have to film video number 2, which is the secret video. The one I just shot was for a clothing brand called Amara Khan, and it will probably be up in a couple of days, so I could totally tell you guys about it. But thank you for watching this vlog. I don't think I have the energy to continue vlogging after this. So thank you for watching. If you like the vlog, please do like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you soon. Bye.